Hey RC drivers, I've got another deal alert for you. This one is the Labor Day sale from Horizon Hobby, and I think we saw this one coming. They usually have it every year, and it's right on the heels of the end of summer sale, which was pretty awesome. They had a buy one, get one free Losi Jerix2, and I know a bunch of people took advantage of it. And unfortunately, they don't have a buy one, get one free in this sale, but they've got some pretty good deals, and you can save up to $300 on a couple of items, which I'll tell you about in a little bit. So let's get started. I'm gonna break this video up by brands. That seemed to work out really well in the last sale video I did, and I'll have chapters in the video description, so if you want to jump right to your specific interest, you'll be able to do that. I'll also have affiliate links down there. That's how you can help me out here on the channel, or you can visit your local participating hobby shop to pick up a deal. Okay, so obviously the first group I'm going to start off with is Axial, and we've got a couple of good deals here. So first up, we got the UTB 18. Really fun off-road rig. Everyone loves this trail buggy. There's a lot of parts out there if you want to make it into a project, but it's fun right out of the box. They give you everything you need to run it in the box. And usually it's $249.99. It's on sale now for $199.99, meaning you save 50 bucks on it. Next up, we've got the SCX-103 Base Camp Builders Kit. If you want to build up your own rig, you got to choose your own body for this, your own electronics, wheels, and tires. This is just the chassis kit here, but it's perfect for project builds. It's usually $269.99, on sale for $199.99, saving yourself 70 bucks on that. And if you don't want to build it, you've got this option here. It's the K10 Base Camp Ready to Run Kit. So they give you all the electronics in there. You got Wild Peak tires. You got the licensed Chevrolet body on it, like chrome bumpers. Looks really good out of the box. Lots of fun on the trail. And actually, they've got the blue and black version. Usually these are $449.99, and they got them marked down to $349.99, saving yourself 100 bucks. Wow, Horizon gave us a few ProBoat sales this time. The first one up is the Jet Jam 12. It's the pool racer, ready to run. Normally that thing is like $99.99, and it's $20 off. So you get it for $79.99. It's a good pool racer for very small pools. I did a review on it. Fun for small pools. If you got a big pool, probably want to pass on that one. They also have the Sprint Jet 9-inch self-righting jet boat. That's usually $89.99, and it's $69.99 now, saving yourself 20 bucks on that. I've never had that one, but it looks like a lot of fun, so just wanted to throw it out to you guys. But I do have experience with these two right here, the Sonic Wake V2. Probably one of the best boats out there right now because it's self-righting, it is fast, it handles really well on the water because it's a V-hull. They've got aluminum running hardware on it, brushless motor. This thing just absolutely rips, and I've beat this one up. It is a tank on the water. So the black or white version is available in the sale. It's usually $420. You can pick it up now for $329.99, saving yourself 90 bucks on it. Now, if you already have some boats and you're worried about retrieval, this is definitely the way to go. The Horizon Harbor Tug 30-inch. This thing, it's slow, it looks cool because it's, you know, like a real tugboat. It doesn't get caught up in the weeds because of the type of propeller that they have on it. And then they give you the retrieval bracket to put on the front so you can go and retrieve boats. I can't even begin to tell you how many boats I've retrieved with this. It comes in super handy. Some people thought the price was a little too high in the past, so now it's definitely the time to grab one. It's usually $449.99, and they have it on sale for $349.99. Saving yourself 100 bucks on that. Now we get into the Losi cars, and number one on the list I see here is the Mini B Ready to Run in the black and yellow version. So these are a lot of fun indoors, and with winter coming up for many people, maybe now's the time we go and grab one. Looks like the standard deal on it because we've seen these before, but they're usually $160 and they're marked down to $130, saving yourself 30 bucks on that. And then they have the Tenacity TT and DB. Here's my DB Pro right here. The TT is a Pro as well. These are fun off-road trucks. The TT is a trophy truck version, but they're brushless. They are fast, independent suspension, aluminum chassis on this, 3 differentials, front, center, rear, ready to run, of course. And then they have these really cool liveries that you could choose from. Love the Fox versions. The Falcon version of the TT is pretty cool as well. But these usually go for $499.99, both the TT and the DB, and they have them marked down to $399.99, saving yourself 100 bucks on those. And then they have the DB XL 2.0 gas buggy. Hold on, let me show you this. I don't have the gas version, but I do have the electric version. Look at the size of this thing. It is absolutely massive. Love this vehicle in electric form. Unfortunately, I don't have a spot to run gas right now. Otherwise, I'd probably have one of those. They look really cool. Just fires up on 2-stroke fuel, has a weed eater style engine in it, and the sound, the power out of those things, just intense. I've seen the videos on them, very cool. But this is one of your big deals. It's usually $139.99, and they have it marked down to $1,099.99. So you save yourself the $300 here. And if you're into TLR, they've got a deal on that. It's their 8XTE, and that is a race kit, 1/8 scale. You have to build it up, all the electronics. You're going to have to get everything for it. But it is a high-end competition kit. Just ran the ready-to-run version. I was pretty impressed with that. But that one's on sale too. That's $170 off, so you can pick it up right now for $599.99. Sorry, Arrma fans, only one sale this time. However, it is on this monster right here, the 5th scale Creighton 8S. I mean, do I really need to say anything about this? It's massive, it's brushless, it goes for big air, it handles awesome with the long wheelbase chassis, it looks cool, it has a bunch of aluminum parts for bracing, it's got the copperhead tires, painted body, electronics are already installed, you just gotta get some batteries, 2 4S battery packs and a charger, and you're ready to just go out and thrash whatever terrain you want. So normally these things are about $1,000 and they knocked $150 off of it, so you can pick it up now for $850. So there's your big RC car and actually RC boat sales. Hit that like button if you found the video helpful. And if you're into planes, they do have some sales I suggest you check out. They've got the UMX, the V900, the Draco, the iX20. That's another big ticket item where they knocked $300 off. A couple other plane things as well. If you do go ahead and pick something up, let us know what it is in the comment section below, and make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any future Deal Alert videos.